Hello, this is Jorge Herrera, and I'm going to present to you very important information. I recently joined a company that is going to revolutionize healthcare. It's a worldwide movement. At the moment, the products are available in the US, Canada, and Japan, but it's a worldwide movement. And we're trying to take back our health because if you learn during COVID, the main healthcare system is broken. So we need an alternative, and that's what we're offering here. Well, this video is about toxicity. We live in an environment that is extremely toxic, so we are intoxicated. And that toxicity is cause of all kind of problems, inflammation everywhere, and illnesses. Every illness it is actually linked to toxicity. So let me show you a video that will tell you one of the main culprits, which is microplastics. There is also something called PFAS that are forever chemicals. And there are pesticides widely used in our crops that produce our food. And the chemicals in the manufacturing to make the food look beautiful, well, those colors are toxic. Those chemicals that make the food looks fresh and with those beautiful colors are toxic. So let me show you about microplastics, and then maybe in another video we'll talk about some of the other toxics.
Fragments of plastic are being discovered in human organs and arteries in the form of very small particles, referred to as micro and nanoplastics. Microplastics are less than 5 millimeters. That's about the size of a grain of rice. Nanoplastics, even smaller, measuring less than a micron, pieces we can't even see with the naked eye. Regardless of the size, one study found that we could be consuming roughly a credit card size worth of plastics in just a week. Here's the problem. Those plastics have now been linked to heart attacks, strokes, and even early death. So you may be wondering, how is all that plastic getting into my body? Well, some of it might be obvious. It could be in the water you're drinking. The water in liter-sized single-use bottles made of plastic can contain nearly 250,000 pieces of nanoplastic, on average, according to one study. It could be in the food we eat. Even granules of salt can pick up plastic pollutants from the lakes and seas where it is mined. Another study found a cup of tea brewed from a certain type of bag contained billions of plastic particles. Plastic particles could even be swirling around in the air we breathe. And imagine this, car tires, they contain a lot of plastic. So when they start to deteriorate, that dust actually sends a lot of those particles into the atmosphere, and those too can enter our lungs. These are still early days in our understanding of microplastics, and these studies are preliminary. Research is still being conducted to determine the true toll plastics can take on the human body. So what can you do to reduce your exposure? Here are 5 simple ways. First, it's probably time to stop using bottled water and get yourself a reusable one. You should also avoid microwaving plastic food containers and reheat your takeout on the stove instead. Tea drinkers, switch to loose leaf and try a metal steeper. Replace your toothbrush often. plastic bristles can break off the more you use it. Finally, to lower the debris from your tires, make sure they are maintained at the proper pressure, which mine are. And keep in mind, even driving more slowly and safely and more efficiently, that can also slow the wear and tear on your tires and help reduce emissions.
Well, I hope that information impacted you, so you start looking for ways uh, to prevent that, to protect yourself um, from taking more of those toxic substances. So what can we do? Well, uh, we can use good water filtering at home. We can also switch from using Teflon covered pots and uh, some other material that could be part of the PFAS, and change to stainless steel pots and ceramics. So, and there might be some other solutions, but at least stainless steel and ceramics pots are safe. Uh, what else can we do? Well, we could um, stop using um, bottled water in plastic. And also, there are certain covers for for like the popcorn to use in the microwave, or some of the fast food. That paper that they use to cover the fast food, those are toxic. So we need to take a look at that. And what else could we do? Well, let me show you a picture and some information about a detoxifying product that we are offering with this company that I joined recently. So here it is. It is Detox Pro Plus is available from the company that I joined from Biolimitless, and I can share with you a link. So contact me, and I'll show you a link so you can find this product and use it, because the formulation is beautiful. The formulation is very good, so it helps to get rid of those toxicity in our gut, in our uh, body organs, and help us to eliminate inflammation. Uh, so it helps us to get rid of all those toxic things. So what else helps to get rid of of the toxic chemicals? Sweating a lot. And if we drink a lot of water, then we can also get rid of the toxics in our urine. But this product is really a great solution to get rid of the toxicity, because it uses uh, great components. Um, oh, there it goes. We are getting a lot of those toxics in our brain. So if this don't uh, bring your attention. Um, I mean, I hope you pay attention to this. In this website, also there is a free detox plan, so you can download that in the link that I'm going to give you. So let me see what else. Okay, our product gives cellular support, and it helps in comprehensive toxics removal, and it uses a coconut derived activated charcoal to bind to the toxic um, little pieces, the toxic nano pieces, and the heavy metals and microplastics, and get rid of them. And it also um, improves our immune system. So, anyway, thank you. And um, in that URL, the link that I'm going to use with you, you're going to be able to watch this video too. So I'll put the link. Oops, oops. Here I am. So I'll put the link under the video that you are watching, so you can check that product, and you can order it and use it, because it's a great solution to get rid of all that toxicity inside us. Well, thank you for taking a look at this video, and I'll be putting more videos on information that is very important to our health.